Hello everyone, this is Indrani and welcome back to Amico's Cookroom. Tomatoes, being a major source of antioxidants and vitamin C, are always preferred by doctors and dietitians. So, how about having a sumptuous meal with this healthy ingredient? Therefore, let's move on to the procedure. To start with, I have taken here 9 to 11 tomatoes, and preferably they should be bigger and round. Then I have chopped a little from the top, and with the help of a scooper or a spoon, I have scooped the entire filling from inside. Do not throw away the chopped portion and repeat this entire process with the rest of the tomatoes. While doing the scooping part, do not forget to store the original filling of the tomatoes, as we can use it later on for preparing the gravy. Moving on, in a mixer grinder jar, adding 3 medium-sized onions roughly chopped, some green chilies as per your preference, around 2 teaspoons of ginger paste. Now we'll carefully add in the solid chunks from the scooped out part of the tomatoes. Once done, now make a fine paste out of it. Moving on to the stuffing part, I have taken here around 6 medium-sized boiled potatoes and will now mash them. After that, to it add some chopped green chilies as per your preference, some chopped coriander leaves, ginger paste, some salt to taste, red chili powder as per your preference, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder. If you don't have it, you can skip this one, and 1 teaspoon of sugar to adjust the seasoning. Now mix all the ingredients very well. Now take each tomato and with the help of a fork or a toothpick, prick the body. And then take a spoonful of the spice and potato mixture and stuff the tomato. But do not overstuff it, otherwise it will come out while cooking. Cover the opening and keep it aside. Repeat the process with rest of the tomatoes as well. Moving on to the next process, heat some oil in a pan. Once heated, slowly add in the tomatoes. Keeping the gas on low to medium flame will cover and cook the tomatoes for around 5 minutes. After a few minutes, remove the cover and check the tomatoes. They are mediumly cooked now. Therefore, slowly I'll transfer the tomatoes and keep this aside. Now putting the gas on a high flame, in the same kadhai, add few bay leaves, few cinnamon sticks and half teaspoon of shahi jeera and fry it till the aroma comes out. Now we'll slowly add in the paste that we have made with onions and few more ingredients. Fry this for a while to get away with the rawness of the onions. Adding in the excess tomato juice that I have restored. Now add some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and some sugar as per your preference. Mix and cook the ingredients for a while. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Now adding some roughly chopped potatoes as per my serving quantity. Now adding the potatoes is totally optional. If you don't want to add it, you can easily skip this step. Adding sufficient water to cook the potatoes. Cover and cook this on high flame until the potatoes are rightly done. At this point, check the consistency of the gravy as per your serving quantity. Adding half a cup of beaten curd, some garam masala powder and some chopped coriander leaves. Now cover and cook this for another 5 to 10 minutes. For plating, place the stuffed tomatoes on a plate or a bowl and over it add in the cooked potatoes and the gravy. So now my stuffed tomato curry is ready to be served. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.